Hey, what's up guys? So I just want to give you a quick heads up on a really good deal that's going on now for the Uniden DFR9. Now, I was taking a look over the test results that I just posted this morning, and as you guys saw, the DFR9 did a surprisingly good job across the board. Now, the Detector normally retails for $329, which honestly I think is a little bit too expensive, especially when the R3 is $399, and for a few dollars more, yes, you do get a more sensitive detector with longer range. And so the DFR9, it's kind of in a weird spot. And so I was talking to the guys at BuyDig. They've done some really good deals on like the DFR7 and whatnot. And I was like, hey, are you guys going to be doing any discounts on the DFR9? You know, it's a great detector, but I think it's a little bit too expensive. On Amazon, it's $279 or so, but at $329, it's a little bit much. Well, they said through this weekend, they'll actually do the DFR9 for $199. Now, at $200, that pretty much makes the detector a no-brainer. I mean, for surprisingly good performance, reasonable BSM filtering, plus all the GPS functionality like red light camera alerts, low-speed muting, and GPS lockouts, I mean, that's a pretty amazing deal. And so the deal is good through this weekend. It expires April 15th. In order to get the deal, you're going to have to go type in the coupon code Vortex. I've got the link down in the video description to where you can go. Type it in and it'll bring the price down to $199. There's a limit of just 2 DFR9s per order, so for those of you guys looking for a really good deal, again, this is just lasting through the weekend, so just a quick heads up. Thanks to BuyDig for making this available to you guys, and just wanted to let you know. So awesome, thanks for watching. If you guys have some questions about DFR9 and whatnot, I'll put links in the video description to more information about the detector. But other than that, there you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.